Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create a pet care planner journal in Journal app. Open the app, then click on Create, select Sample Journals, and then find this pet care planner, click on it, and then tap Use this journal. And here you can edit the pages, can look at the pages and select whichever you want, upload a photo of your pet and write anything that you would like to. If you go back, you can see that this journal is right here in my main page from now on. That's basically it. I hope it will be useful.